What if men could get pregnant tomorrow?
If men, wow, seriously.
I've actually thought about that.
Yeah?
Yeah, that would be really awkward.
Wow, the world will be much better.
I don't think it would be any different from a woman giving birth, but then obviously you need to have your penis and you need to have your vagina, so men will get more respect. Treat women with more respect.
If men could get pregnant, what would you feel? Would you like to get pregnant?
No, of course not.
He doesn't.
That'd be awesome. I feel like that would spare women a lot of time. A lot of time.
I think men wouldn't have babies because that's a part of women, and that actually happens when you have an intercourse, and then
Whatever happens, no. Death would be sweet. I swear to God. I would rather die than go through all that.
I don't know.
That is torture. Hats off to all the women who can handle it. But for guys, trust me, we would be tripping balls every day if we knew that was what's going to happen.
Because I think there's this feeling that women are weak because they traditionally historically because they give birth because they're just there to bear children. But if men had that issue, maybe there wouldn't be this male dominance issue in society, and what is masculine, what is feminine. I feel like gender roles and things like that would be much different. The women would not have to just stay at home and take care of the kids because she had the kids. It'd be a very I feel more unified society if something like that could happen.
it means that if men can get pregnant, female don't.
What if both could get pregnant?
That's
We do together.
Yeah, we do it together.
Two people at one go. Yeah. Yeah, it's fine. It's awesome actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, that would be much more better because then there's a kind of a sense of equality, right?
I really wish that was the case, because they just want to hump and dump everyone in turn, right? And we're the ones who have to go through labor pain and all the other pain, a lot of stress, and looking after the kids when they are just still humping all your sisters and cousins and everybody else. I think I should try getting pregnant. I really wish it was like that.
Half the things they scream about at home, they wouldn't do that from today, because they know we do a bit more than what they do in their whole lifespan.
We get married and our husbands come and tell me, oh, I'm pregnant. I'm like, oh, wow. Congratulations for that.
I wouldn't get married.
It's not necessary to get married to get pregnant.
I actually use protection.